I'm Geoff McBryde. I'm an unofficial employee of Holley, and they kind of wrangled me into handing out magnets and stamping cards, and well, I must have done something right because they've invited me back this year. The car is a '69 Dodge Daytona. The funniest part is it's actually my 75-year-old mother's car, and I don't get really ridiculed, but I get a lot of people that they don't believe me until I get in the console and get the registration out and show them it's really hers. The next thing I get is a lot of people look at me and go, you know, are you really driving a real Daytona? And yes, it's a real '69 Daytona. It's a numbers matching car. We drive it. We built it to drive 15 years ago. We have fun in it, and that's what we built it for. A lot of the purists don't like it. We put air conditioning on it. We put a stereo in it. That's what Mom wanted. That's what Mom gets. We have fun in it, and it draws a lot of attention going down the road. When we got the car, it was in really bad shape. My dad he bought both cars for $10,000 when he bought them. He sold the Hemi 4-speed car for $7,500, so my mom ended up with $2,500 in this one. She made my dad put it in her name so that he wouldn't sell it, because if it come in the yard, it was for sale. Both of them were in very sad shape. Matter of fact, this car is actually a one-of-one. It was special ordered with weird options. It's got power windows, rear window defog, AM/FM radio, 6-way driver seat. But what makes it rare, it's an automatic car, and it was special ordered with a 410 Dana rear end in it. That's what makes it one-of-one. So it was probably 15 years ago we decided to restore the car to go to the wing car meet in Talladega, Alabama, and do the pace lap. I own Showtime Restorations in Cherryville, North Carolina, and me and two of my employees, we actually tore the car completely apart, every piece of it. The car's been painted underneath. One of the funniest stories about the car, the back window has some scratches in it. Now, if anybody knows anything about these cars, the back windows in these cars are about $2,000 a piece. Some kids in the neighborhood were actually sliding off the roof and going under and catching the wing and flipping themselves off. Well, if you look at the back window, it's scratched up pretty good, but Mom and Dad said that was part of the history of the car, leave it alone. Long story short, my mom's driven the car. She still drives it when she's able. There's some things that, like I said earlier, my mom wanted, and what Mama wants, Mama gets. So I'm not ashamed. People give me a hard time sometimes about me saying that. I'm 51 years old, she's 75. Hey, I got a cool mom. That's all I can say. I got a cool mom.